Hello, greetings and salutations. I realised that I haven't done an update for a little while on regarding how we're doing as a team, how the Ninja team are doing, how the trading is coming along. So I thought I would literally go live today and show you how we're doing, because let me just share screen with you. Share screen. Right, okay, let me just remove some of these things. Right, I wanted to show you. Okay, this is our Ninja Forex Traders group, okay? And when you join us with the Ninja team, you get put into this amazing group. And this is where you want to be. This is where the magic is happening, guys, the Ninja team. We have an incredible unit section. So when you join, you'll be sent to the units, and literally we have a welcome start here. We have new member orientation. Bob and Robert are doing amazing videos every week for that and putting them in here to literally stop you from getting overwhelmed, getting you into the chat groups, getting you into the 5 rules of trading. And then we literally take you through. You've got a fast start, the essential basics. Then we have the live trading schedule, so you can jump on all our live trading sessions. So you can come and trade along with us and learn with us. And then there's obviously a unit for everything that you would need to learn. Okay, but we break this down step by step into little sections. So you come along and you do one section at a time, which is just fantastic. So you don't need to feel overwhelmed, because you only move on to the next thing if you're ready to. You don't have to move on. You can just stay at the bare basics and just do BYOB like what we do. Okay, so I just want to share with you some feedback from people that have joined our group recently. So recently, Paul put a post in our group. There it is. Every now and then I'll ask this question so we can help gauge what you think of our group. Please can you answer in your feedback below? Let us know your comments. So we just put that out there in the group to make sure that everybody in the group is happy, that they're completely content with the group, and to get some feedback. So let's have a look at some of these comments, shall we? Right, let's start from the top. Right, so there we go. Absolutely amazing. Talk about over delivery. Keith here, I honestly don't think I could ask for a better group. The information and strategies available daily, I'm sure, are world class. There is something here for everyone. I have joined many groups here on Facebook over the last 10 years and had many myself, but this one tops them all. It's friendly, informative, no competition or serious ego problems, keeping it real. I mean, you can't ask for a better review than that, can you? And he's so right. Brian here's quite a new member. I think you're doing a great job. I haven't seen so much value delivered on top of what is already available within IM Academy. It's a blessing to be a member of this community. Sarah, great to be a part of the tried and tested trading community where success is celebrated and supported is on offer. So we all celebrate and support everybody here. Phil, just love it here. Ali, fantastic group. Having plenty of spare time, I thought I'd go through the units and started to get a little bit confused which way to turn. Saw the interview with Les earlier this week and it was like a light bulb moment. Keep it simple, keep to our strategy, and loving it here. So the new guy here, where do we get trading ideas for stop losses and things? So we do offer in our announcements trade ideas as well, which is incredible. James, Paul, this group is awesome. I can't see how you could do much more. But then I think that every week there's something new or a little tweak here and there or an improvement. It's all down to community and people. So David, I get out of bed on a Monday morning looking forward to my first live trading session in the week. I'm learning a new trade which has given me structure and medium to end goal. The tools are there, many included in IM Academy Monthly. And the generosity of the people's time in the Ninja group, easily the most affable and generous folk you could wish to trade with. Win, lose or draw, it's a learning curve. Let's put some sense of purpose in your life and a smile back on your face. Oh, it's lovely. Sarah, I watched for a long time before I was in a position to join. I learned while I was watching, and then when I had time, I came with no hesitation to come on board. It's only just started, but I've no doubt I'm in the right place. There's so much value and information in here. I'm in the overwhelm stage, which is very normal. I know it's normal and it's covered in the training, so I'm not worried. So that's good. Sam here, I'm loving it so far. I love the no hype. I love that people are normal and you're not professionals, because and I probably wouldn't understand that at this stage anyway in my journey. So basically, we are all just normal people, just all helping each other. This is the beginning of an amazing new journey for us, way outside of the wheelhouse. I can't imagine a better group of support and training. Looking forward to so much more and turn this hurdle into a springboard. Thank you, Cindy. Randy, hi Paul, I think you guys are doing a bang up job. I have one question. I have specific questions on the BYOB method and on live on the west coast of US. Is there a regular Zoom meeting every day I can put in my calendar to join? And there we go. There's a Baby Boomer Power Hour, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. So he's covered for some help. I typically learn best when I'm at my computer physically. Do you have an online workshop? And then Les has put that me, Sarah Jane Cruickshank, is on at 3 p.m. UK time, and I literally go over the real basics of how to draw, where to click, that sort of stuff. So I do a live session in this group on at 3 p.m. UK time to go over the bare basics to help people. And it finally went live yesterday and got 2 trades, up 20 pips, yay! Overnight lost 50. Oh, well, that is the learning curve, isn't it? That is the learning curve. But we are here to support you. And what we would do, we've got a trade surgery where you can come in and you can show us the trade that lost, and we can look at it and try and figure out for you what happened and why that lost. So you're covered, Andy. We'll look at that for you. But if it's Great British Pound last night, then Great British Pound is so volatile at the moment. It really, really is. So you really need to tighten up your stop losses on that one. Sally, as a newbie of 2 weeks, I have to say it's fantastic. Been watching Paul's session in the morning and Sarah's in the afternoon, and they've greatly helped me. Oh, that's good. I'm so pleased, Sally, that my session's helped you and Paul's has helped you. Stanley, doing very well. Sometimes we feel we go into a little bit of overload with the amount of systems, but we try to stick to the BYOB and not get distracted. We appreciate that others want more. Really enjoying the Zoom meetings. They are so helpful. So as you can see, you know, people are really loving this group. And an hour ago, we had another beginner orientation Zoom where you could jump on and you are literally taken through step by step of where to go, what to do, what to press, all that sort of stuff. So that's fantastic. Right. Also, when you join the Ninjas, you'll be put into our Discord chat group, which is an exclusive chat group. And look, it comes in sections. So we've got the live trading sessions. So all of our live trading sessions are posted in here. So you can just jump on the links, join in. We've got then a BYOB chat only, so you can talk about BYOB, look at trades and things like that. We've got a 25 for live section, where you can talk about 25 for live trades. We've got an intermediate and advanced section, so people that are a little bit further forward with their trading journey can come in here. This is our trade surgery, where people put their trades in that maybe went wrong, or they wasn't sure what happened, or you know they lost maybe, and then we can look at those. We can answer people's ideas. Look, any idea what I'm doing wrong here? Okay. So then we can talk about that in the trade surgery. Ask a question section. Anybody that's got a question can ask in here and somebody will always get back to you. Okay, this is the one that people are most interested in, raining pips. Raining pips is where we like to get people to put in what they've done that day when it comes to trading. You know, how have they got on? Put in here your wins, your losses, your stop outs, your break even, so we can all kind of celebrate the wins and maybe look at the losses and see why. So let's look at today, shall we? Let's go today. Where's today start? 7th of May today. So Julie took 13 pips on all JPY, 13 pips on New Zealand USD from tonight's BB session. Oh, and 13 on CAD JPY. Excellent. 13 seems to be your lucky number today. Excellent, Julie. Well done. Jim, just taken 10 pips on New Zealand JPY. Heath, 9 pips on Euro AUD, 12 pips on Great British Pound AUD, and 24 pips on GBNZD. Wow, Heath, you've had an amazing morning. Well done. Damien, 33 pips for the day on 25 for life. Robert here, 6 pips on BYOB. 11 pips on BYOB there. 5 pips on NASCAD for Tom. So that's excellent. Yesterday, let's go back a day. Forex Fire here. John's setting up a nice trade for you. Stopped out on JP CAD today. Got frustrated, so I'm not looking at it anymore until tomorrow. I know, Serene, if you're having a bad day, sometimes it's better just to stop, okay? So look, we're not putting all wins in, these losses in here as well. 14, minus 14 today. Caught in the stop loss from hell. Oh dear, Bob. But the good thing, followed the plan, the rules, risk was managed, and the account was still up and swinging this week. Brilliant. See, proper risk management. It doesn't matter if you have a loss every now and then, and you will have losses. We're keeping it real here. 10 pips there, 15 pips there, 3 lost, total of 30 pips net though. 12 won, 3 lost. It's not bad going, is it? Well done, Rob. Let's just go back a bit. Ord, USD, 10 pips, BYOB with an indicator. Stopped out. Oh, Kevin, no, I'm sorry about that. Stopped out on them ones today. I think there was one of the 25 for lives that went out this week. Literally, there was a news with Great British Pound and it stopped out. It looked like a beautiful setup, and that just happens. That's just pretty normal. So, as you can see, come back on camera so I can talk to you. The Ninja Team. It's definitely the place to be for help, support, and come along, check us out. We do offer as well, which you will find amazing, a complete 7 days for free trial to come and trade along with the Ninja Team. You can come into our free trial group and you get to watch and experience the Ninja Team for 7 days. You will get to watch all the live trading sessions. You will also get signals that the traders send out sent to your phones for 7 days, and you will get some incredible mindset and just trainings and things like that within that group as well. 7 days. So you can come and try before you buy, before you decide whether you want to join or not. 7 days free trial. How awesome is that? Right, if you want to take part in our 7-day free trial, there will be a link under this video for you to just click on, put your details in, and you'll be sent to that group, okay? So you can take your free trial. If you don't need a free trial and you just want to get started with us, why wouldn't you? Because we've got an NLP session going on, all about mindset tomorrow with Paul, and that has helped so many traders get their mindset right. That's going on, that starts tomorrow, Friday. So if you want to join now, you'll get the NLP stuff as well. There'll also be a link under here for just come and join us in the IM Academy with the Ninja Team. So can't ask for more than that, can you? This is an incredible time for us. The company has grown incredibly because everybody's looking at alternative ways to make money at home. So, trading is the way forward. You don't have to sell, you don't have to recruit anyone, you just have to learn this skill, okay? So come and join us. I can't wait to meet you. I can't wait to see you within our trial group. And some of you hopefully will be on my trading session as part of that trial group. And then with the Ninja Team, you come on my trading sessions as well. Thank you for jumping on this video. I hope that's inspired you to look at us and know that you are in the right place and that you can come home to us and we are there to look after you. And trading can be incredibly lonely if you're just sat at home and you get frustrated because something's gone wrong or you're not having a good day. So why not share your journey with us, with a group, with a community that are all in this together. We help each other, we trade together, we win together, we learn together. So come and join us. Don't forget, check out the link for the 7-day trial or check out the link to just come and join us straight away. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.